Welcome. In front of me is a POCO X3, and today I'll show you how to set up and enable the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, you want to pull down the notification panel and extend it and find the toggle for Do Not Disturb mode. And let me quickly look for mine. Oh, there it is, the DND. It says this moon icon. And before you tap on it, you want to hold it. This will take us to the settings. So from here, you want to tap on the DND, which will also actually enable it. As you can see right now, it's now enabled. But once you tap on it, it also gives you the ability to, well, customize it. So we have allow incoming calls. By default it's set to none, which basically blocks everybody, but you can change it to from steered contacts only, which is your favorites, from contacts only, or anyone. So select whichever one you want. I'm gonna go with the none because there's also an option for notify about repeated callers. And this option, as you can see, will remain here. Even though right now no one should be able to call us, it will give us a notification that someone is trying to do so if they try to call us twice within a 15-minute period. And then we have also restrict floating animations, or notifications I mean, which just kind of removes the banners from like popping up when someone messaged you. And apart from that, you also have the schedule, turn on and off, which in here, if you go, you can add your own or customize the one that exists there, but adding a normal one is probably easier. So once you tap on the plus, you can set the days of the week that you want to work in. Now we have the everyday, weeknight, weekend, and custom, which will allow you to select whatever you want. Then you have from, so the start time, then to end time, and silent mode, DND or silent. Now DND is the one that we can customize. Silent is just complete another silence. So you can select whichever one suits you. I would advise to stick with the DND because, well, that's the one that you can actually change around. And from there, tap on the check mark. And if it's the time for it to be enabled, it will turn on automatically. And then after the time reaches that it's supposed to turn off, it's also going to turn off automatically. And when it's on the schedule, you can still toggle it off whenever you want it by simply tapping on the toggle. And also you can enable it manually yourself as well. Just when you enable it manually, keep in mind that you'll have to disable it as well. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.